be alright. Oh, let's get together and feel alright. Let the man pass all his dirty remarks. There is one question I would really love to ask.
One heart.
Is there a place for the hopeless sinner who has hurt all mankind just to save his own belief? One love, what about one heart? Let's get together and feel alright. One love, what about one heart? Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and it will be alright. Oh, let's get together and feel alright. Now listen, let's get together and fight this holy Armageddon.
One love.
So when the time comes, people, there will be no doom.
One song.
Have pity on those whose chances grow thinner. There ain't no hiding place